thunderstorms will affect the nearshore waters through 10 p.m. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly high winds and suddenly high waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for southeastern Wisconsin.